When we hear the word masternodes, we immediately think of two things: opportunity and passive income. Let's face it, spending time doing what we want while we're earning money in the background, what is better than that? But we need to understand how important masternodes are to the network. Masternodes create security, stability, and are responsible for confirming transactions on the network. So being a node operator is a responsibility, and one that you have to take seriously. Zeepin have masternodes which are called galaxy nodes. There are a total of 51 nodes that can be voted in by anyone that holds ZBT. 9 of these nodes are called consensus nodes, and 42 are called candidate nodes. So what's the difference? Well, consensus nodes require larger hardware, more storage, and more secure hosting. They get 40% of the rewards. Candidate nodes get 60% of the rewards, but can be run locally on your computer. To become one of the 51 nodes, you will need to lock up 1 million ZBT. You will need 11,000 GALA, which will get consumed for fuel. Now remember, you will also need to be voted in by ZBT holders. There is a vote cycle every 120,000 blocks, which is very cool because even if you don't have enough ZBT now, you can always apply it in the future. So what's the financial motivation? The first year, Galaxy nodes will get 5% of the 1 million ZBT, which is 50,000 ZBT. They will also get 20 times in GALA. So this means 20 million GALA. This will be distributed monthly. Now that's a pretty wicked deal right there. Any fees consumed on the network, for example, the 2 GALA required to make a transaction, will be paid 40% to consensus and 60% to candidate nodes. So as an example, if the network was averaging 10 transactions per second, at a cost of 2 GALA per transaction, consensus nodes would earn approximately 28 million and candidate nodes would earn approximately 9 million per year. If you have enough ZBT, I can really see this being a great opportunity. So let's look at how simple it is to apply for a Galaxy node. You'll need to first download the Z wallet. I'll leave a link in the description. Once logged in, click on the DApp icon. Then click on Run for Node. Read the rules, then click Agree. Enter the amount you wish to mortgage. In my case, I want to add 1.25 million. Then click Submit. Confirm it is the right amount. Then enter your password. You can see here it says you have been successfully elected as a node. If we click on campaign ranking, you can see I'm third in the ranks. If we come back to our assets screen and click on GALA, we can see here our 3 transactions. The 1.25 mil ZBT and the 2 transactions of 11k GALA that we used for fuel. After each election, 9 nodes will be selected as consensus nodes and 42 will be selected as candidate nodes. Any that miss the cut will become backup nodes, but could enter the rankings at a later date. Candidate nodes must own at least 1 planet in Crypto Galaxy. It is important to understand that you can lose your ranking at any time. Incentivizing could help with voters and hold your rank. There will be a simple KYC and hardware review before gaining access and node deployment. If you want to support any of the node operators, simply open Z Wallet, click on DApp, then campaign ranking and hit vote on the node that you choose. So I hope this video has helped, and have a great day and take care everyone.